Hi all, in Know Your Fabric we'll see about Bandhani designs today. These Bandhani designs are like very famous in Gujarat Kutch area, and these are passed through generations. Bandhani, it's a Sanskrit word, and when we translate it in English, it simply means tie and dye. So this itself tells about the design. Basically, the fabric is being tied and then dyed. So that is the simple translation of Bandhani. How these tie and dye is done. So that's actually a intrinsic process. Initially, they draw a design in the thin tracing papers. On top of the designs, they keep a thin plastic sheet, and then they make holes based on the designs. Okay, so there will be like tiny holes based on the designs. It could be like some saris will have 10,000 holes, some saris even have 1 lakh holes. So based on the holes, the rates of the saris also differs. So once these holes are made in the plastic sheet, the fabric will be basically white in color. So they keep those fabric in the table, and then on part of the white fabric, they keep these thin plastic sheets. And then they apply a lighter shade of the dye, whichever the dye they are going to use it for the fabric. So in this case, it's violet. So obviously they will use a lighter violet shade dye, and then they apply it on the plastic sheet. So wherever the holes are there, the dye will gets into the hole, and it just applies on the fabric. So once it's dried out, we take the plastic sheet, and then after the dye is like a little bit dried out in the fabric, we take those white fabric, and then we make a tie. This is how it would be. The hole will be there, and then we take a tiny knots, and then we can tie using threads like these. So there will be like numerous tiny knots, and then the complete fabric will be like tied as small tiny knots based on the designs. So once these knots are like tied, we then immerse these things in the dye, and then after like 2 to 3 hours based on the colors, once it gets dried out, then we remove these threads. So this is how the Bandhani designs are made. These designs are made using natural colors in the earlier days, and predominantly red, blue, green, black and yellow. These were the 5 basic colors which were used, because those days they used only natural colors. Now we also use chemical colors, and that's the reason there are like numerous color combinations in these things. So these are made both in cotton as well as in silk bandage. How do we maintain these Bandhani salwas or the Bandhani saris? So if it is a cotton, you could at least like wash it in a separately using a mild shampoo. If it is going to be a silk bandage, definitely you have to give it only for a dry wash, because the dye is all natural, and then silk bandage saris, when wash it, it actually spoils the essence of the design. So you can wash it separately, and these kind of wrinkles in the fabric, that's the essence of these Bandhani. So when you stitch it and then wear these kind of salwas or saris, it will look very nice. This is the original Bandhani made using the traditional method, and see, I'll show you the these are the Bandhani prints. So there is always a confusion between Bandhani prints and the Bandhani originals. So Bandhani originals, these are little costly, as these involves a lot of human work of tying these knots. These are all the power loom which is just printed, so it will give you a look of the Bandhani thing, but the wrinkles or those hollow effect or the bulged effect will come only in the original. Thank you for watching Bandhani designs. I'll get back to you with another design shortly. Thank you.